Step 1. Click on the Get Started button and connect your X Twitter account. Step 2. Once connected, simply click Continue to proceed. You'll be taken to the dashboard where you'll see a few simple tasks. Most of the tasks will be auto-completed just by clicking and then going back. No need to do anything extra. However, one mandatory task is to submit your Sui Wallet address in the Connect Wallet section. Once that's done, just click through the remaining tasks. It takes less than a minute. This is a one-time airdrop. No extra tasks will appear later. The campaign is live now and open to all. Grab it while it's hot.